Is your monitor's frustrating flicker ruining your viewing experience? Let's get it fixed, fast. First, let's tackle the most common culprit: loose connections. Unplug your video cable, the one that goes from your computer to your monitor, from both devices. Give the connectors a visual inspection for any damage now. Firmly reinsert the cable into both the monitor and your computer's graphics port if your cable has screws. Make sure they're snug. A secure connection can be the simplest fix. Next up, outdated or corrupted display drivers are frequent offenders. On your computer, open Device Manager. You can usually do this by searching for it in the Start menu. Expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your graphics card. It might say NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Select Update Driver and then choose Search automatically for drivers. Your system will try to find and install the latest compatible drivers. If the automatic search doesn't find anything, the best approach is to visit your graphics card manufacturer's website directly. Look for their support or drivers section. Find the exact model of your graphics card and download the latest driver package. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. A restart might be required. Sometimes, an incorrect refresh rate or resolution can cause compatibility issues. In your display settings, look for options related to advanced display settings. Here, you can adjust the refresh rate of your monitor. Try selecting a different refresh rate. Often 60 Hz is a safe bet. Also, ensure the screen resolution is set to the recommended setting for your monitor. If the flickering persists, try a different video cable altogether. Cables can degrade over time, and using a known good cable can rule out this possibility. If you have access to another monitor or can test your current monitor with a different computer, this is a crucial step. If the flickering happens on a different computer with the same monitor, the monitor itself might be the issue. Conversely, if the flickering only happens on your original computer, the problem likely lies with your graphics card or another component within the computer. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most monitor flickering issues and enjoy a smooth, clear visual experience. For more advanced troubleshooting or hardware diagnosis, consider consulting a professional.